10 major mathematical open problems have just been solved simultaneously. An automated system blazed through these proofs at a speed and scale that is completely alien to human research. The results dropped in an August 2026 release from OpenAI. The results come from an internal version of Astra, OpenAI's next major model, currently unreleased. But the detail that matters is the receipt. OpenAI claims the total number of tokens needed to find these exact solutions would cost roughly $2,000 at current Sol API rates. To prove the work, they shipped 2 artifacts alongside every result: a mathematical manuscript formalized into a machine-checkable lien certificate, and a raw narration of the model's thinking process. With progress on decades-old math problems becoming a compute line item, the immediate challenge is no longer finding the proof, but finding the time for experts to check and absorb it. The portfolio of solved problems covers a massive surface area, spanning high-dimensional geometry, quantum complexity, and group theory. Among the highlights are a complete disproof of Kahn's rigidity conjecture and a new arithmetic formula lower bound for computing the permanent. The model also produced a super-exponential lower bound for multicolor triangle Ramsey numbers and results on extremal graph theory compactness, resolving Erdos problems 146, 180, and 183 in a single sweep. A human mathematician might spend an entire career specialized in just one of these niches. Here, a single unified architecture generated results across all of them at once. For academic researchers staring at this release, the blog post itself is basically irrelevant. The actual signal is in the shipped artifacts. The lien certificates turn the question of mathematical correctness into a mostly mechanical process. The code either compiles and proves the theorem, or it doesn't. The step-by-step narrations serve a totally different function. They offer the first at-scale look at exactly how a frontier model navigates the dead ends of a genuinely open problem, rather than a synthetic benchmark. We have a very recent precedent for how this plays out. In May, an unreleased model evaluated by OpenAI generated a disproof of the Erdos unit distance conjecture. That single disproof instantly seeded real academic work, directly leading to 5 named follow-up papers published by human mathematicians. If you work in one of the 10 fields impacted today, your priority queue is strict. Read the human-prepared manuscript first and read the AI narration second. Do not spend time wondering if the mathematical bound actually holds. The lien kernel already verified that it does. The real value is extracting the logic. Researchers need to see exactly what conceptual leaps the model made and evaluate whether those techniques can be lifted and generalized to solve other open problems. Not all of these results will be accepted smoothly. The academic community is going to heavily scrutinize 2 specific claims: the non-sofic group's construction and the Kahn's rigidity disproof. Both of these belong to fields that rely entirely on existence and impossibility claims. This creates intense friction. There is a massive gap between an organic, informally stated conjecture and the strict parameters required to formalize it. In these subfields, the informal to formal translation is contested territory. Expect rigorous debate over whether the AI's code actually answers the original human question. If you're a software builder trying to integrate this, here is the hard reality. Absolutely nothing from this announcement is usable today. The new ChatGPT for Academic Researchers tier grants access to current models. It does not give you access to the internal Astra system that generated these proofs. The actual value for engineers is the blueprint. OpenAI openly detailed the exact workflow used. In Stage 1, the AI system autonomously navigates the search space to find the initial mathematical argument. In Stage 2, human researchers step in. They co-edit the raw output alongside the model. Finally, in Stage 3, the model translates that polished manuscript into formal code, generating a lien certificate. You do not need Astra to build this. This exact pipeline can be replicated right now using entirely different verification targets instead of lien. If you want the next one of these the day it lands, subscribe. Astra remains locked away, but this workflow provides a functional model for anyone looking to bridge the gap between AI inference and formal verification. Now we need to look at the math behind the math. OpenAI reported 10 successes in this release, but they explicitly disclosed 0 failed attempts. That highly publicized $2,000 compute cost is a textbook case of survivorship pricing. It only covers the winning trajectories. The figure strictly tallies the tokens used on the exact paths that led to a formal proof. completely ignoring the thousands of dead ends the model explored to get there. An internal frontier model evaluating open problems over several months incurs a continuous computational cost that is plausibly orders of magnitude larger than what was stated. This vast, undisclosed search cost is the actual overhead. It is the actual number an independent lab or university would need to budget to replicate this kind of work. There is a secondary caveat. The headline implies total machine autonomy, but the post explicitly admits that humans helped prepare the manuscripts prior to formalization. From the outside, you cannot measure exactly where the AI's discovery ends and the human cleanup operation begins. Finding mathematical truth through brute force inference requires filtering an immense volume of failure. Framing this as a $2,000 theorem is true under narrow constraints, but it is economically misleading. It hides the vast, invisible machinery of the search. The final caveat rests entirely on how we define proof. The absolute anchor for correctness across all 10 results is the lean certificate, and a certificate is precisely as strong as the kernel checking it. Being formalized in lean provides incredibly strong evidence of correctness, but it does not grant infallibility. 2 days ago, I showed you a fake proof slipping past lean's kernel. These 10 results are betting everything on that same kernel, and that bet is stronger than it sounds. Machine-checked mathematics earns trust because the open-source ecosystem rapidly identifies and patches its own critical soundness bugs within hours, not because the software is inherently flawless from day one. Going forward, we can evaluate the fallout of this announcement using a very simple framework: 1 confirmation and 1 kill metric. For the confirmation, monitor the group theory community's response to the non-sofic group's construction. If mathematicians accept that the formal code faithfully answers their informal conjecture, it validates the true academic significance of the entire portfolio, moving way beyond mere mechanical correctness. For the kill metric, keep an eye out for any upcoming paper, conference talk, or leak that discloses the actual attempt denominator. If the underlying success rate surfaces and it turns out to be extremely low, the narrative of the cheap $2,000 automated theorem dies immediately. A low success rate would indicate that mathematical breakthrough is less about an algorithmic leap and more about a lab's ability to fund a massive, high-volume search.